Hello boys and girls, I am Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make a long envelope. For this envelope, take any sheet that measures 8 cross 10 inches, and then we are gonna make a mark and fold it at 1.5 inch from one side and then at 1 inch from the other side. This is gonna be on the shorter ones. Then for the longer sides, we are gonna make two marks. On the one side, we're gonna mark at 2 inches. On the other side, we're gonna mark at 2.5 inches. You can first make pencil lines and then fold. Don't forget to erase the pencil marks. After you are done with the folding part, then we have to cut off the extra rectangles on the sides. Make sure that you make some taper edges on the side pieces so that when you close the envelope, it's easy to bend and your envelope is very neat. Now put glue as shown in the video and stick your envelope. After that, you can put glue on the 1 inch tab and then close your envelope. You can round off the corners of the 1.5 inch tab, or you can just simply do it with the scissors. Now you can just embellish your envelope in any theme that you like. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials. Bye. Happy crafting.